Good morning, Chris here with a little tutorial on what momentum is. So if we just go on like our charting program, we're going to see something that just says momentum, and it's very useful for like divergence analysis, momentum analysis. Obviously you can look for patterns in momentum, and just a generally good overall indicator and very simple to use. Now, another reason why it's so simple is because the calculation of momentum is so simple. All momentum means, which this is different from an actual an actual physics definition, all momentum is the slope. So it's a slope of an ascent or descent, or the if you're using more than one period, then it's going to be the average of all the ascents and descents. So momentum is basically slope. So how do we actually calculate it? Let's just say that we're using 1 day. So we would say, okay, we have 1 day at the bottom. So we got 1 day at the bottom, and let's say that that day the S&P went up, let's say 4 points. So we have 1 at the bottom, and we have 4 right there. So what's the momentum? Simply 4 over 1, so the momentum's 4. Easy, right? Okay, so let's now say that the actual momentum is going to be a period longer than 1 day. So now let's say that we want to do a 3-period average. So now we have momentum on the lower side. We got 3 days, and then let's say that in the last 3 days, the S&P or whatever we're trading went up, say, 5 points. Okay, so now the momentum is simply rise over run, so 5 over 3. I know it's like high school algebra. So it's 5 over 3, so it's like 1 and 2/3. That's the momentum. So that's all you need to do to calculate it. Very easy stuff.